Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about conjunctions. When you see the conjunctions, what do you notice? Conjunctions are words that connect words, phrases, or clauses together. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating, subordinating, correlative. Conjunctions has an easy way of remembering. It's the acronym called fanboys. Here are some more examples of conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions has various uses. Look at the following. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words used to connect two parts of a sentence that are equal in grammatical weight. Here are some examples of conjunctions in the wild. Here are some examples of mistakes made when using conjunctions. Quiz time. Answer the following quiz questions. Here are the quiz answers. Hopefully you got them correct. Here is a quick summary of what we learned today about conjunctions. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and leave a comment.